Okay, guys, this is Harshdeep Pawar. So let's tell you how to put up a space net with three trees or three pillars or three anchors on each side. And so first you gotta spread the space net in the center. That find some trees which are apart from each other, wide apart from each other, not like close to each other, and then one is somewhere far away. So if the trees are apart, it's better. Otherwise, you have to maybe keep the space net closer to the tree, which is little more far, like that. So you spread it in between, then just keep it like that, and you spread the webbings like this. So this is a loop. You clip this to the space net here. This side is the screw gate. You open this, put it in between, make sure it is nice and not open like this. Okay, and don't, it's okay if you don't lock this, it's better you don't lock the carabiner. Set all three sides first, like that. The loop side, obviously. राहू दे नहीं राहू दे. Okay, once you put all of them, then come, let's go there. Cut, cut. Then these are our anchors which we will put around the tree. If you know how to put up a space net, you know how to put a sling or space or anchor. So like that. I usually like it close to the other girthage so it cinches well. Okay, so this is our anchor. It can be a pillar. If you're putting up to a pillar, you need tree pro around it, and for this also, if there's a tree pro, it's better. Carabiner, ratchet. So this is the ratchet. It's locked in this way. In this way it's locked. So we have to put the ratchet on the downside. The belt has to be at the top, because if the ratchet is at the top, the heavier side is on top, it tends to flip the line. So it better be like this. Webbing on the top, carabiner, clip it in. This is set, and we put the webbing to the space net there. So we get the top side. Make sure there are no twists. If there is a twist, it doesn't matter. But whoever has OCD can remove the twists and make it better. Oh, thank you, Yasho. Yasho has OCD. So this is a ratchet, webbing on the top. We put the webbing end, not the loop side. The loop side is there at the space net. And inside this here, inside this, and right after that you need to pull it down. See? Take a close-up star. Asa and down. Right there after the circle. And yeah, you pull that. So you pull, and you can see this pin here. Pull that back, open the lock like this. And you can just lock it. And pull this pin and lock it this side. So this is locked for now. And if you're alone, you can do the other two sides and then tension it like that. If you have three people, you can just three of them here and there and then just lock three at a time. Okay, this is our second anchor. We make sure we put, this is a bigger, nicer tree. You can put it at any height, but if it's your head high or shoulder high, because in the center it's going to bounce and stretch, so it's better you put it at a height. Does it go one more time? Oh, it doesn't reach. Okay, sorry. Here. So this is a ratchet. This, when this pin is here, this is in locked position, right? Like this. It has to be like this, locked. So belt on the top, ratchet at the lower part. Put it here. This is set. This is our anchor with the ratchet. This is our webbing. We put it in this circle. You see there's a space there. Put it in between. Remove from down. And pull out everything. See, if we put the ratchet at the top, because of the weight, it's going to keep vibrating like that, like that. So if it's lower, it's better. It just stays there. Okay? Easier. This is locked If you want to now lock this so that it doesn't slide out, you have to press this, take it out, and now it won't come out, it's locked. And for safety, this is the safety lock, you have to lock it back here. You see this, always check if it's back here, that's locked. हाँ लॉक करा था. Tension lock. This is locked for now. If you want to tension, so this is loose. So if you want to tension, you can go on each side and crank it up. Sam, कर tension. करना अजून. अजून करू? हा करना. बस लॉक कर. ओजी सुसु गैंग. ओजी सुसु गैंग. हाँ. जा जा. खूप वर केले आपण. ओके. एक मिनिट होता रे, मला जम्प करू दे. सिंगल होई चुपर. बॅक फ्लिप. गेन भेटतोय तेवढा. करू का? उभा राहिले. Okay, you have to check if this carabiner is straight. It's not tensioned like this, inverted, or it's open. Don't close the gate, but it has to be like this well. And don't worry, all the knots are cinched and backed up, so you don't need to open anything open or worry about all these strings. If you want, you can cut it off and then burn the ends with the lighter. And make sure the ratchets are always closed and like this, locked. You see this? If it is like this, this is wrong. It better be like this. You press this and pull it up. This is locked. This carabiner has to be locked and pulling in this direction, not like this direction, not this direction. Okay, it's set. Yeah, it can actually take up to 10 people on it, but comfortably 3 people. Otherwise 10 people can jump on it. No worries. Look at that dumb guy. तो पण बघ वॉक करतो तिकडे. पत्थर आहे नीचे. शशांक क्या पत्थर है नीचे. देख कर.